Hello, I'm Ron Mullet. In my last video, I showed you how to flatten a warped board. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a straight edge on a curved board with no joiner. So let's get started. In a previous video, I flattened a board with my planer and some playing cards. This time, we're going to put a straight edge on this board. This is a guide that I use my circular saw to break down sheets of plywood. Put double-sided tape on it. Make sure it's secure to the board so it won't slip. Now this strip is probably about a 3/16 inch piece of wood, and I put this auxiliary fence on top of that and then clamp it to the regular fence. This auxiliary fence can be used for a lot of different things, but I really like it for straight edging boards. You have to make sure that the board slides freely under the fence. The next adjustment is going to be the blade. So raise the blade up so that it's just barely below the bottom of the auxiliary fence. Now slide the board over and make sure that the blade is above the board. Now the next adjustment is going to be to move the fence just slightly past the edge of the blade so that the blade does not come in contact with the aluminum straight edge. Now run it through, and the aluminum straight edge will run against the auxiliary fence, and the blade will do all the work underneath. Now let's see what we've got. Yeah, I like that pretty well. That looks pretty good to me. I'll put that up against a joiner square edge any day. Now then, flip the board over, run it through the table saw, and trim the opposite edge. What you end up with is a flat, parallel board with two 90-degree edges that are straight. No planer, just a table saw, playing cards, and a fence. So there you have it. I hope I was able to help you in some way. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you on my next one.